Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is McCullough. I do product reviews, I do wash and goes, I talk about my journey with Christ. I do a little bit of everything here. So do me a favor, like this video to encourage engagement on this channel, and subscribe if you like this content or like content geared around natural hair. And let's get straight into this video. This video is going to be a short one because I was just trying out my two most loved products and I wanted to record the process in case I had a banger. And I was a little underwhelmed, to be completely honest with you guys. But anyways, do me a favor, let me know in the comment section, what are you guys' most loved wash and go products that gives you a hard cast, and do you achieve your hard cast with one or two gels? I also thought it would be great to show you guys the process of this wash and go routine, although it's not that different than my original wash and go routine video. I'll link it up in the cards above for anyone who is interested, and also, like always, I'll link all the products I used in the description box below. There are two ways I will prepare for my wash and go. It depends on the weather and my environment. One, if it's humid and hot, I will not go in with a base gel because it'll just end up being too soft later on. Really not even later on in the day. I say give it about an hour or two and homegirl is frizzing up and getting ready to be an afro. There's nothing wrong with having an afro, but that's just not the look I'm going for. And then my second technique is, if the humidity in the air is pretty windy or cool, I'll apply a base gel. So here I did not apply a base gel because I was not trying to have a soft or a flexible wash and go. I was going more for a hard cast because of the hotness and the humidity that is in the air. I just did not want that, and so I thought pairing a mousse with a hard gel, I would get a really great wash and go, but it was lackluster. As you can see, I did not have a whole lot of water in my hair as well. I made sure my hair was damp before going in with these products, and I went in with the mousse first, and then I topped it with the gel, which I think you guys are seeing right now, on top of it, just to capture those coils. And then I sat underneath the dryer and waited for it to get hard, which it was like a small, like mild cast. It was not a hard cast, and I already knew because I didn't get that crunch feeling. I love a crunch. I knew it was over with. So I'm right here, I'm just going back in and redefining areas, stretching the hair a little bit more, making sure I have a nice elongated wash and go, because my hair, I still have layers in my hair. My hair is not all one size. And I use these gloves because my hand gets irritated when I don't wear gloves on my hands. But anyways, the Koils was popping. I can say that the camera did zero justice in that defense, but overall it was just too soft. Again, it did not hold the curls like I wanted it to. The cast was nice as well. It was just the product choice, that's all. It was just the tools that I used. So after this video, I pretty much was done. I went straight into a DIY protective style that almost broke your girl, but I ended up figuring it out towards the end. So if you guys want to see that DIY protective style, stay tuned in my next video, and I catch you guys later. Bye.